Alright, what's up? She's alive and running. Nice 383 in this 68 Fury. Now it's off to go get the exhaust done, get the alignment, and go ahead and get this AC system charged so we can finish wrapping the rest of this stuff up. And we'll be getting this baby out and on to the owner and getting done with it. So again, we've got these other things done. We got our radiator in. If you guys are following everything, you're kind of keeping up to date with what we got going on. So we've got to finish up with the interior, of course, on the inside, a little bit more of the electrical things, interior lights, small stuff. But the biggest of it, we've got situated now. We're going to go ahead and get this loaded up, get it to the exhaust shop, let them get that stuff situated. We'll get that alignment done. And as I said, we'll get that AC charged so she'll be blowing some nice cool air. So you guys keep watching. We're going to have some more for coming up. So stay tuned. Thanks.